Nevri. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss an update from Jimjan Kitchen. Take 2 cups desiccated coconut powder in a pan. Dry roast until light brown. Roasting the desiccated coconut gives it a longer shelf life. Remove in a bowl and set aside. Now roast half cup fine semolina. Dry roast until crisp and light brown. Remove in the same bowl and set aside. Now add 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds and dry roast until crisp. Remove in the same bowl and set aside until it cools down completely. After the mixture cools down completely, add 1½ cup powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon chironji or charori seeds, 1 tablespoon golden raisins, and 5 to 6 pods of green cardamom freshly powdered. Mix well. Add 1 small pinch of salt. This is optional. Mix well. Stuffing is ready. In a large bowl, take 2 cups all-purpose flour or maida, one-fourth cup fine semolina, salt, and mix well. Now add 1/4 cup hot ghee. This ghee has to be bubbling hot. Mix well with a spoon. After the mixture cools down, mix with your hands till you get a crumbly texture. Now add water in parts and knead a stiff dough. Cover with a damp cloth. Cover and set aside for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, knead the dough again until soft. Divide into 4 equal parts. Cover with a damp cloth. Take one part and divide it into smaller parts as shown. Divide into equal parts with the help of a knife. Roll it into a ball and set aside. Keep it covered with a damp cloth. Now dust some dry flour and roll it into a thin puri. Place the stuffing in the center. Apply water along the edges. Seal it as shown. Make sure it's completely sealed or it will open up in the hot oil when you're frying it. Use a cutter for cutting the edges. I have used a traditional Karanji cutter. Keep the edges aside. We can fry them later. Prepare 3 to 4 at a time and fry them immediately. If you prepare all together, then keep them covered under a damp cloth. If the outer covering dries up, it will break and it will open in the hot oil. You can use a fork instead of the cutter as shown. Heat oil for deep frying. Fry 3 to 4 at a time. They will puff up while frying. Fry on both sides until light golden and crisp. Fry the remaining in the same manner. You can store them for up to 4 weeks. Keep them in open air for 4 to 5 hours and then store them in an airtight container for 4 weeks. Subscribe to my channel Jim Jen Kitchen. Click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.